So if you see the specific goals will be pattern recognition, sequence alignment, gene finding and gene expression analysis, genome annotation or genome assembly, protein alignment and drug design. So these are the goals, and to achieve these goals, what bioinformatics does is develop the algorithms or develop management systems using computer programmings, and everything should be available to everyone, so that ultimately science will be improved, life sciences will be improved, and better living of humanity will be done here. So we will discuss a little or brief history of bioinformatics here. So basically bioinformatics history started with Gregor Mendel, where he explained the concept of heredity. So he is considered as father of genetics, and he cross-fertilized peas, garden peas, and understand that there are something called as factors, they are cause for the inheritability here. So Gregor Mendel provided the concepts of classical genetics, basically that lead to the development of molecular genetics here. So in 1951, Pauling and Corey proposed the structure of alpha helix. So proteins are made up of amino acids. So proteins will have primary structure, secondary structure and three-dimensional structure. Alpha helix is a predominant secondary structure element, predominant and basic structure element that lead to 3D structure of the protein, which is leading to the function of the protein. So in 1953, Watson and Crick proposed the double helix model for DNA based upon X-ray data obtained from Franklin and Wilkins. So 1953, this discovery of DNA double helix model considered as greatest achievement in modern biology, which led to ultimate developments or great achievements in current biology here. So basically understanding the central dogma of life is done because of the Watson and Crick's DNA discovery here. And the sequence of first protein is analyzed and announced by Frederick Sanger in 1955 here. So basically he is called the Frederick Sanger, F. Sanger. He pioneered the technique of sequencing. So in bioinformatics we deal with the sequences, the sequence arrangements here. So because of his remarkable achievement, the branch of bioinformatics is developed here. And in 1958, there is a great achievement in computer science or informatic techniques. So Jack Kilby designed first integrated circuit at Texas Instruments here. So we know that currently we can see the use of computers in our day-to-day life here. So basically Jack Kilby contributed a lot to the computer science here. And in 1965, Margaret Dayhoff, she started the Atlas of Protein Sequence and Structure. So the information which is derived through Sanger's sequencing experiments is stored in databases. The first database that is called as Protein Sequence Atlas here. So the experimental information from sequencing experiments and the use of computers and combining them and storing the information in a database involves first step in bioinformatics. Margaret Dayhoff is considered as mother of bioinformatics here. So there is a very long history of bioinformatics. So we'll see that history. We learn about algorithmic developments and database developments while progressing through this course here. So there are also some specialized fields in bioinformatics or linked to bioinformatics. Those are genomics, transcriptomics, proteomics, metabolomics, harmonics, ionomics, phenomics. So several omics sciences basically rely on experimental techniques followed by bioinformatic algorithms here. Currently there is a new approach called as systems biology approach, where you take everything as a together or holistic way and try to understand a living system here. So use this all the omic technologies and also use structural biology to develop novel drugs is also a part of bioinformatics here. So in this session basically we defined about what is bioinformatics, and what are the fields associated with bioinformatics, little history of bioinformatics and goals of bioinformatics. Basically bioinformatics is an essential interdisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science and information technology to analyze and interpret biological data here. So in coming sessions we deal with the applications of bioinformatics followed by the actual bioinformatic concepts called as biological databases. So thank you for listening to my session here.